My time in 1938, according to my dad, and it was started by our grandfather, who basically started off as a generalized machine shop, and then it went into aerospace, and we started doing, if memory serves, propeller nuts for prop planes, for Lycoming, and basically that's where he got his start, and he did a lot of that for a bunch of years, and then he got into some of the more complex aerospace parts. Around the 60s and 70s, and that's pretty much when my father joined the business, and we've been around for that long, doing predominantly, back then, screw machine work, and now, as you saw through the tours we did earlier today, CNC work, milling, multi-axis turning, grinding, water jetting, robotic machining, the rapid prototyping, Swiss machining, a lot of it, and that's pretty much, over the years, we've grown into what I like to call a full-service machine shop, meaning if a job is particularly heavy and outside work, we'll shy away from it because we like to be able to control everything under our one roof here. So, again, we've been pretty lucky and blessed to have a lot of great customers, long-standing customers that give us lots of work and other opportunities to grow, and that's how, again, screw machining, Swiss machining, multi-axis machining, water jet machining, one thing led to another. And it started with Nakamura. My God, it was in the early 90s when we bought our first Nakamura, and since then we bought about 30 of them. And most of the ones that we have are the 3-turret versions. We do have some single turrets, some dual turrets, but I just like the 3-turret machines because basically they're able to hold more tools. And I could do a lot of different parts on them that I couldn't do on single or dual turret. I could have the other 3-turret, third turret I should say, go to work on it on the sub. And then I could float the lower turret back and forth. So in short, this machine, for this particular application, can be basically a 3-turret milling machine. I mean, in the end, what you could have by doing this part in one operation on a 3-turret milling machine is you have all your features locked in. You have perfect quality, and once your process is established, it's a lot better than doing it in 3 separate work holdings. So, again, that's just one application of having a machine like that has 3 turrets and 3 Y-axes. It's way better for a part like this. Operated robo drills for a lot of years. It was actually one of our first mills, and we've obviously grown to the point where we have got, I think, 30 of them around the shop. I mean, most of them are non-pallet changes like this, but we have a handful of the pallet changes as well, and they do us a great job. I mean, there's good money in milling. So basically we started out with a Knox, and at the same time we bought our first multi-pallet robo drill, which, by the way, for space concerns, just exited the building last year. So, and it was tough for me to take a picture of it on the truck going out. I won't say I teared up, but I stared at it kind of for a while, knowing that was my first robo. It hurts for me to leave anything, but according to my wife, I'm a hoarder and I can't get rid of anything. So that's why I keep all my equipment until typically